Hello, I'm Michelle Cole. I'd like to take a couple of minutes and talk to you about a reverse mortgage, and I also have a personal story to share. What is a reverse mortgage? Reverse mortgages, also known as home equity conversion mortgages, or HECMs, which are designed, administered, and insured by the Federal Housing Administration, are one of the best engineered financial tools of our generation. Key points. Reverse mortgages enable individuals aged 62 and over to convert part of their home equity into cash to use for whatever they wish. To buy a home as a personal residence using a reverse mortgage and the proceeds they get from the sale of their current home or other available cash for the down payment. Never have to make another mortgage payment. The homeowner owns the home, not the lender. When it comes time to sell the house or pay off the loan, paying the lesser of the loan balance or the sales price will satisfy the lender. You will not owe more than the home is worth. You do have to pay property taxes and insurance, as well as maintain the home, just like you always have. How much can you receive? The loan amount is determined by the age of the youngest borrower, the value of the home or lending limit determined by FHA, and the rate for the selected loan. The process. Getting a reverse mortgage is 5 steps. First is the meeting. As your mortgage consultant, you and I will get together and see how a reverse mortgage will work for you. Next comes counseling. The session will last 30 to 45 minutes with a HUD-approved counselor. Then's the application. You and I will complete the application, and you may be asked to provide some documents. Then we'll appraise. The appraisal will come out and appraise your property. We'll send your loan file to the underwriter for approval. And usually there are no credit or income requirements. At closing, the lender wires funds, the title records the trust deed, and escrow pays off any existing mortgage, disperses the funds, and issues a closing statement. Your proceeds are received a few days later. Now I would like to share a personal story. In 1962, my mom and dad, that's them right here, built a beautiful home in San Diego where my 2 sisters and I grew up. They paid off the mortgage many, many years ago. And although my dad had an excellent retirement income that allowed them to live comfortably, they even traveled, when he had a stroke at the age of 90, there wasn't enough income or savings to pay for the 24-hour care in the skilled nursing facility he required and allow Mom to keep their home. But none of us could face the prospects of forcing Mom to sell their home. I was so thankful to be in a profession that provided the solution. I explained to Mom the ins and outs of a reverse mortgage, and she chose one that worked perfectly. She chose a reverse mortgage that provided monthly payments that covered all of the costs for Dad's monthly care. When he passed away almost 2 years later, she was able to stop the regular monthly payments and keep the reverse mortgage to use only when she needs it. She's tapped into it a few times to replace an old fence, to make the landscaping more easy care for her, and also to paint the house and replace some worn-out appliances. The reverse mortgage, though, is actually her rainy day fund, and she'll never have to make a mortgage payment as long as she lives there. This is a picture of my sisters and my mom and I about a year ago. It gives my sisters and me real peace of mind to know my mom has no financial worries that would cause her to have to sell her home. We get together often in the home she and Dad lived in for almost 50 years. To To find out if a reverse mortgage could be your answer or a financial solution for someone you love, please call me today. Let's take a few moments and see if a reverse mortgage is just what you need. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Thank you for listening. Bye.